Hello there! As the world of technology races ahead, staying updated isn't just an option, it's a necessity. Welcome to our latest YouTube Blast, Top 5 Free Generative AI Courses to Learn in 2024. If you have ever been curious about the magic behind AI that can write, paint, and even design, now's your chance to dive in. We're exploring the top free courses offered by Great Learning that won't cost you a penny, but are here to supercharge your skills. So buckle up and let's embark on a journey into the world of generative AI where your next big skill awaits. First up is Generative AI for Beginners. This free certificate course is perfect for those who are new to the concept of artificial intelligence. This course starts with the basics of artificial intelligence, shedding light on its constraints and hurdles, and then dives into the core concepts of machine learning, covering crucial algorithms and how they're applied. This course will also introduce you to neural networks, providing you a glimpse into deep learning techniques such as CNNs and RNNs. Furthermore, this course will highlight the significance of large language models, showcasing their utility across different sectors. Learning these basics can open up opportunities in tech roles that are just forming now, ensuring you're well prepared as new jobs emerge in AI-driven fields. Link to this free course is provided in the video description below. The next free course we delve into is Prompt Engineering for ChatGPT. The magic of generative AI often lies in how you ask and not just what you ask. So this course teaches you how to craft prompts that get the best out of AI, making it indispensable for developers, marketers, and content creators who want to leverage AI to its fullest potential. Mastering this skill means better outputs from AI, crucial for enhancing user interactions or creating richer, more engaging content. You will find the link to this free course in the video description below. Our third course, ChatGPT for Beginners, takes you through the practical applications of ChatGPT. Now, whether it's automating customer service, writing scripts, or summarizing emails, understanding how to integrate and utilize ChatGPT can significantly cut down on your workload and increase your efficiency. This ChatGPT free online course begins with an introduction to ChatGPT, laying the groundwork for understanding its potential to revolutionize your projects. This will be a game changer for professionals aiming to streamline their operations and embrace a digital transformation in their careers. Link to this free course is provided in the description of this video below. Fourth on our list is Getting Started with GitHub Copilot. Imagine a tool that not only helps you code, but actually thinks ahead of you. This course introduces you to GitHub Copilot, an AI pair programmer that suggests entire lines or blocks of code as you type. For developers, this means faster coding, less time debugging, and more time focusing on creative solutions. It's a critical skill for software developers looking to enhance productivity and innovation. Link to this free course is provided in the video description below. Last but not the least, at number 5, we have ChatGPT for Excel. Excel is a staple in business analysis, and this free course equips you with the skills to supercharge your spreadsheets using AI. From automating data entry to complex analysis, mastering ChatGPT for Excel can dramatically increase your efficiency and make you a valuable asset in any data-driven role. The link to this free course is provided in the video description below. So don't just watch the wave, ride it. These free courses from Great Learning are a fantastic way to get skilled, stay relevant, and propel your career forward in the AI era. Subscribe for more insights and get started today. The future is waiting for you.